Welcome to Learn English Like a Native.
Difficult times in life are an inevitable part of the human experience, periods when individuals face significant challenges that profoundly impact their lives. These times may be the result of several factors, such as job loss, financial crises, health problems, or even the loss of a loved one. 1. Common causes of hard times, financial crises, such as job loss or mounting debt, which can lead to feelings of instability and anxiety. Health problems, sudden illnesses or chronic conditions can cause significant physical and psychological challenges. Emotional difficulties, such as the loss of a loved one, separation, or feeling isolated. Professional challenges, such as failing to achieve certain goals or feeling stressed works. 2. Psychological impact of hard times. Hard times can lead to feelings of hopelessness or frustration and may cause depression or anxiety. Continued psychological stress can also affect physical health, such as sleep problems or a weakened immune system. 3. Effective coping strategies. Psychological resilience. Developing one's ability to adapt to challenges and accepting that things may not always be under control. Planning and time management, making clear plans that help organize life and reduce stress, such as prioritizing tasks and their obligations, learning new skills, investing time in learning something new can enhance the sense of accomplishment and relieve stress. Effective communication. Do not hesitate to share feelings with trusted people or even consult specialists for professional support. 4. Motivation through difficult times. Some people use challenges as a motivation for personal growth and achievement. 5. Difficult times in the lives of societies. Collective crises, such as epidemics or natural disasters, affect all members of society. Solidarity and cooperation between individuals can help mitigate the psychological and material impact on society as a whole.
Keep it up. Every lesson helps you get better. At English. We're excited to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.